everyone, welcome to another video with I Learn Engineering. My name is Leslie. Today we're going to talk about embedded systems. If you've watched our video on operating systems, you'll have seen that we mentioned embedded systems very briefly, and we're going to dive a little bit deeper into them today. So embedded systems are systems that are in smart devices. They're used in manufacturing quite a lot. They're used in aeroplanes, they're used in the medical industry in some of their devices. They're a combination of hardware and software, and they act as a controller for a specific function or a specific task. So for example, an aeroplane might have an embedded system that works with its GPS that helps the airplane and the pilots track the route. A smart washing machine could have an embedded system that controls how much washing powder is added for the weight of the wash that's been put in the washing machine, or maybe the temperature of the water for the type of material selected or something like that. Medical systems use them a lot, so they'll monitor vital signs, like they'll monitor our heart rate or something like that if we're in hospital, and also for medical imaging. So if you go in for a scan, like a CT scan or an MRI scan or even an X-ray, they'll work in things like that as well. And embedded systems can vary in complexity. Some are quite obvious to the user. So a mobile device, a user interface on a mobile device is an embedded system. Some of them can be background systems that we are not, as users, we are not aware of. But they all have a specific purpose, and they will work for that one purpose. The software that's used as well will depend on the sophistication of the embedded system and what that purpose is for that system. So an industrial microcontroller with a specific function, so controlling assembly line speeds, or regulating temperature, or controlling, those robot arms like we have in the image here, so controlling something like that, they may be simpler than an embedded system with more than one function. So say a phone camera, they will have different functions. So obviously it'll take a picture, that's the main part, but maybe it'll zoom in and it'll change the brightness and things like that. So the software used will depend on how complex the task is that the embedded system is working on. And it's worth noting that embedded systems are becoming a lot more popular. We have IoT systems, so Internet of Things. We have a lot of different smart devices that we're using in our homes and in our offices, and even wearing on our body. So like a smart watch or a smart ring, in my case. So they're all embedded systems. Drones are embedded systems, and there's a lot more manufacturing that's automated rather than manual now. So they're all using embedded systems. So they're becoming a lot more popular, whether we're aware of it as users or not. So that's our tour of embedded systems. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And thanks for joining us. I'll see you soon on another video. Bye.